students, welcome to Kalarava Tutorials Chitradurga. So here is an information for you. SSLC online repetition class coaching classes are started from December 15th of this year. You have an opportunity to join this class. In this class, what we have to going to teach you, I will show you in this one. So the benefits of this coaching class is repeating the important concepts of every unit with the explanation. You have we have give you information about the important concepts of the every unit in all subjects, and also explain the concepts and discussing with the students. When we are explaining the concepts, we have discussing with the students, with cooperating with each other, and you have an opportunity to give the students to ask the question at any time while explaining the concepts. While explaining the concepts, you have to ask the questions to the teachers when you have doubt any about the concept. And also we have teach are the important topics to be studied in every unit. In every unit, there are so many important topics are there. You have to study only that important topics. And also you have omit some topics there, unnecessary topics are there, so you have to omit that part of that one in every unit. We also inform you which are that type of topics, and also how to find the solution for difficult problems in easy way. There are so many difficult problems in the physics and also mathematics, so we show you how to solve that in easy way. And also which are the easy methods to memorize the formulas. You are so difficult to memorize the formulas when you are going to apply the formula in the problem. You have a back foot to memorize that one. We have to teach you how which is the easy method to memorize that formulas. And also there is a MCQ questions are there. You have to solve it the fastly and easily, which are the techniques to solve that MCQ questions. And also how to make the perfect construction. There is a mistakes in your constructions of circles and triangles also, so we have to teach you how to make that perfect construction in that problems also. And also the best methods to answer the question paper to get the full marks. So all are having idea to get the full marks. So we give the idea how to answer the questions in the question paper. And also you have to maintain the timings in that period, the exam period, that is 3 hours. How to maintain, how to utilize that timings without leaving any questions. So there are shortage of timings in your exam, so we tell you how to utilize the timings to answer the all the questions. And also we have teach you how to score more in exam. All parents are eager to get our sons or our daughter get to eager more score in the exam, so we will teach you how to score more in exam. And also attend the examination is without fear is very important. If you got fear in the examination, all your memory full get lost. So therefore we teach you how to face the exam without fearness. And also there are important steps to follow in examination, because for every each and question you have to draw a line with the pencil and give a gap to the questions, and also how to answer the which questions are answered first and which questions are answered next. We have to teach that steps in the to follow in the examination. And also this coaching class is of 45 days for each subjects. For each subject it is 45 days. This is only the minimum period, 45 days. It may take 50 days or 60 days to complete the course of that subject. And also there is subjects mathematics, science, and also social science. For Kannada, English, and Hindi grammar, we have to teach only the grammar only, not the lessons. You have to the timings of this one is other than the timings of your school timings, because we have to start the classes at 6 o'clock or 6:30 at the morning up to 7:30. And also at the evening we have start the class at 7:30 to 8:30, or it may be reach the 9 o'clock sometimes. So in this way, taking the coaching class without disturbing your regular class academic classes. And also we see the fee structure of this coaching class. Very less fee is charged for each subject. For each subject it is only 1,000 rupees for completing the repetition class, and also the question paper solving, and so many tests are taken, and model question papers are given to you. For this we have only charges 1,000 rupees for subject. You have take any subject for maths, science or social science, it is 1,000 rupees. And for all grammar classes including Kannada, English, Hindi, for all the three subject, it's only for 1,000. So totally it charges 4,000. But we have give a concession. If all the subjects you join all the subjects, we have give a concession of rupees 500. To the total fees is 3,500 for all six subjects. If you want to join the classes, you have to phone pay the amount for this one. Very thank you for this watching this video. And for any extra informations, you have to call these numbers here. I will give you two numbers. You have call any number for extra information. Thank you very much.